धूप में चलना पड़ता है।
Do you have to work in sun?
क्या आपको जॉब करना पड़ता है?
Do you have to do the job?
क्लियर? क्या आपको सुबह जल्दी उठना पड़ता है?
Do you have to get up early in the morning?
मेरे को सुबह जल्दी नहीं उठना पड़ता।
I have not get up early.
I do not.
I do not get up early in the morning.
I do not have to get up early in the morning.
I do not have to get up early in the morning.
क्या आपको मेडिसिन खानी पड़ती है?
Do you have to take medicine?
मेरे को मेडिसिन नहीं खानी पड़ती।
I do not have to take medicine.
क्या आपको जॉब करना पड़ता है?
Do you have to do the job?
तो जॉब नहीं करना पड़ता।
I don't have to do the job.
चलिए थर्ड पर्सन, क्या उसको जॉब करना पड़ता है?
Has he?
Does he?
Sorry. Does he have to do the job?
उसको जॉब करना पड़ता है।
He has to do the job.
हाँ, क्या उसको चाय बनानी पड़ती है?
Does he have to prepare tea?
उसको चाय बनानी पड़ती है।
He has to prepare tea.
क्या उसको पोछा लगाना पड़ता है?
Does he swim?
Does he have to तो बोलो।
Does he have to
Sweep the floor।
sweep the floor?
फिर से बोलो।
Does he have to sweep the floor?
उसको पोछा लगाना पड़ता है।
He has to sweep the floor.
उसको पोछा नहीं लगाना पड़ता तो?
He have not.
He does not.
He does not.
पहले बिना
sweep
लेकर
the
रखो,
floor.
जब सुधरोगे।
He does not have to sweep the
लाओ,
floor.
ये भी कैसे करके लाना, ये भी करना, ये भी करना, ठीक है? यहाँ लिख दूँ?
Okay. This is not Priya. This is no. ये तो किया है ना मैंने.
क्या?
Has.
क्या है ना? लिखा हुआ है, क्लियर करना, क्लियर है ना? पास्ट कराया था इसका? पास्ट देखो।
Had to. Use for. Compulsion.
पास्ट हो गए? क्या है? बोलो।
Did you have to action?
आंसर I
I
Had.
had to action. He did not have to action. Third person. And did he have to action? Maybe I did.
क्या आपको चाय पीनी पड़ी थी, मजबूरी में पीनी पड़ी, क्या होगा?
Did you have to take tea?
मेरे को मेडिसिन, मेरे को चाय पीनी पड़ी।
I had to take tea.
I had to take tea। ठीक है? क्या आपको जॉब करना पड़ा?
Did you have to do the job?
मेरे को जॉब करना पड़ा।
I had to do the job.
क्या आपको बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना पड़ा?
Did you have to start business?
मेरे को बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना पड़ा।
I had to start business.
क्या आपको उससे मिलना पड़ा?
Did you have to meet him?
मेरे को उससे मिलना पड़ा।
I had to meet him.
क्या आपको शराब पीनी पड़ी?
Did you have to take
मेरे
liquor?
को शराब नहीं पीनी पड़ी।
I
did not.
I did not have to take liquor.
क्या आपको धूप में चलना पड़ा?
Did you
ये बोलो, क्या आपको धूप में खड़ा होना पड़ा?
Did you have to stand in
Keep in.
sun? Keep in
Did you have
stand.
to keep standing in sun?
Did you have to keep standing in sun?
देखो धूप में खड़ा होना पड़ा।
I had to keep standing in the sun.
और मेरे को नहीं खड़ा होना पड़ा तो
I didn't had to keep standing
In sun.
in sun.
ठीक है। थर्ड पर्सन, क्या उसको सुबह जल्दी उठना पड़ा था?
Did he have to get up early in the morning?
उसको सुबह जल्दी उठना पड़ा था।
He had to get up early in the morning.
क्या उसको योगा करना पड़ा?
Did he have to do the yoga?
उसको योगा करना पड़ा।
He had to do the yoga.
क्या उसको मार्केट जाना पड़ा?
Did he have to go to market?
उसको मार्केट जाना पड़ा।
He had to go to market.
क्या उसको होमवर्क कंप्लीट करना पड़ा?
Did he have to complete homework?
उसको होमवर्क कंप्लीट नहीं करना पड़ा।
He didn't have to complete homework.
He didn't have to complete homework.